This is my 403 Oldsmobile and my Buick. It's here I'll back up a little bit. It's a 1986 Regal Buick Grand National Clone. So it's not a real one. But this is so it has a 403 Oldsmobile engine in it, bored 30 over. Got a comp cams in it, comp cam, a mild cam, not a real aggressive cam. I can't tell you exactly what it is. I did a lot of the work, but I actually had somebody else do the machining and stuff. Got the Oldsmobile logo on there. Got the Oldsmobile valve covers. It's not just painted, it's actually embossed. It's actually, you don't see it so much there, but it's chrome illusion valve covers, so it, you can kind of see it. It changes, the valve covers change colors. Oh yeah, you really see it if I go like that with the phone. So it's chrome illusion valve covers. A friend of mine put the Oldsmobile on there for me. Same thing on the other side. But I don't know, figure it's around 350 horse, somewhere around in there. Got an Eldorado carburetor on it. Still move, sounds pretty good. See if we go back here. I don't know how well you hear that on the video. I got some other videos of this car on here. Here, we'll but that's her. Been sitting for a little bit. Probably why some of the moisture is coming out there. Don't run it every day. The chrome illusion valve covers and just she's a fun driver. Like I said, 403 Olds. If you want to see some more cool car videos or anything like that, please feel free to like and subscribe to my channel. I'll be bringing you some body shop videos, some car videos, all that good stuff. So please feel free to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.